Woke up under quiet skies, your touch fading in the light. Memories in soft disguise, still holding me through the night. After the rain, I feel the sound of everything we never found. You're far away, but still inside. A part of me I cannot hide. Shadows fall across the day. I still see your face that way. Not a word, just distant signs, like stars that wait to realign. After the rain,